gold yesterday has continued to rise in value. As it was mentioned in the yesterday analysis, the price has reached 3350.58, a resistance level. We can see that also making a bullish breakout slightly above this area of resistance with this small bullish candle compared to the previous two daily candles. Let's see on the 4-hour time frame how this has looked yesterday. Since yesterday, we can see in the morning the price has reached this area of support 3325.75, and since then the price has risen in value. We can see reaching the area of resistance 3350.58. The price formed also a bullish candle going above this area of resistance, which is also significant. But then we can see the price has formed this bearish engulfing candle, suggesting further decline down just here at the resistance level. On the 1-hour time frame, since yesterday, since yesterday in the morning, this is the area what we have discussed yesterday about the price, where the price is heading. So we can see the price has reached this area of support for the second time, making a bullish pin bar right here and suggesting further rise in value. We can see the price has managed to go above 3340.57. Here the price has reached the daily resistance, then bouncing back down because it's very important, the resistance level. And we can see the price has bounced for the third time, reaching this area of support and then eventually returning back up, going above this area of resistance and reaching higher price levels. We can see that the price has reached 3365.01, and from here the price is returning back down. So currently I am expecting that the price will try to reach down an area, and I will slightly fix this one here just to be in line. This is the area where the price could reach, so I will fix this one. I have just shared with the traders inside the premium analysis. So this one which I have shared, this is the bearish engulfing candle I have shared just right now a few minutes ago with the traders inside the premium analysis. Because of this bearish engulfing candle suggesting further decline in value. So this is something that I am expecting currently, and after that we will see how the price will behave around this area of support. Will the price continue to lose its value further down, reaching again 3325.75, or it will bounce back up, returning back above, continuing to rise in value like the daily bullish breakout candle is suggesting. So for now, this is how the price, I'm expecting that the price will behave, and then we'll follow how the price will behave around this area of support or resistance, and we can see how the price is currently doing. The price is currently inside the bullish momentum, trying to move further up and then reaching higher price levels. So this is the target, and especially we'll see how the price will behave on the 1-hour time frame, because these small support and resistance levels are very important. Feel free to check the premium analysis. The link will be below in the description, so you can also join. Yesterday I had also shared with the traders several of these bullish breakouts and bearish breakouts. We can see one was a bearish breakout, two of them were bullish, and all three of them were successful. And we can see it was on Bitcoin and also on silver. So feel free to check the premium analysis group where I share these details during the day, and on all of these symbols that are listed here, not only for the gold. So feel free to check and join others to receive these updates. Let's see how the price will behave today, especially because of the daily bullish breakout. It's a small one, not strong one, so I'm a little bit careful to see how the price will behave around this area of resistance. But for now I'm expecting that the price will return back down because of this bearish engulfing candle suggesting decline in value. So I will see how the price will behave. That's all for today. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.